Alright, YouTube viewers, here is this Fasco Heat cycler I got from Brian Hicks. Go ahead and take a look at the tag. The tag's actually in really good condition on this one. Yeah, there she is. Fasco 1.4 amp motor, the heat cycler. I believe this is generation 1 because of the cooling fins. Let's go ahead and go back down. Alright, let's go ahead and put the fan on the I was waiting for the camping and down rod for this fan for a while from Brian Hicks, but I finally got all the parts. It's in great condition. Brian did do a little work restoring it a little bit. Clean the motor out, I think he cleaned the bearings out. Honestly, it's in great condition. I'm very happy with it. So there's low speed. Now you go to medium speed. But you won't see much of a difference on this control because this motor does draw, once again, 1.4 amps. Any motor seem to draw like around an amp, so the Hampton Bay 4-speed control doesn't really give much of a difference in speed, it seems. I might have to use different controls sometime soon. But there's medium, not much of a difference. High, though, is where we see the heat cycler come into full effect. This fan packs quite a punch, moves a lot of air, actually, extremely amount of air. I can see why this was indeed designed as a competitor for the Fasco Heat cycler. This guy. Here, he runs flawlessly and very silent. So let's go ahead and do spin down. Get a little better focus. Okay, there we go. Excuse me. I'm very happy to find one of these in the finish I wanted with the brown. I wouldn't mind the white finish, but I just wanted the brown finish more because it went with the blender fan I had. So if I ever do a dual install, I'd probably put this and the 3-bladed blender fan with no switch housing in the same room. I think it would look cool. And it'd be a neat comparison to see the actual blender fan with the competitor's version of it, which is the heat cycler. And once again, I believe this is the first generation motor since it has the cooling fins. I don't believe the second generation had them. Just because these motors get super hot. Which I don't doubt for a second. These are huge, huge stack motors. If you think about the stack motors drawing 1.4 amps. I think it has 3 sets of coils, which is also wow. So. I'm very pleased with this fan once again. Brian Hicks did a great job restoring it, taking care of it for me, and selling it to me. So I'm very pleased with it. This is another fan off my top 10 want list. I think I've gotten 4 fans off that list now. I know I have this heat cycler, 1930s, and R52. I have to go back on my left. Oh no, I'm getting my 4th fan at Fanimation, which is a Newtone Pro Line 4-blazer. So that will be the 4th fan off my top 10 list. So I'm almost halfway done with my list. I'm only halfway done with the year, so who knows? Make sure you're still recording. My first recording stopped around this time, and I was like, no more fans will be on eBay right now, just because I'm going away. I won't be here to ship them. I will probably put some on eBay after I get back from Fanimation. I've been getting requests to put the 36-inch blade sets on eBay, so that might be a thing. I may throw some of the 52-inch Hunter original motors on there. May do a 52-inch Hunter original motors and blades. I haven't decided what I'm going to throw up there yet. But it'll be coming at some soon. Alright, so now that she's done spin down, we're going to go ahead and go straight to high, because there's something unique about these fans. Is that when you put them straight to high, they basically kind of like a turbine engine lighting up. So let's go ahead. Alright, last part of the video. Sorry about my camera in my face again for some reason. We're going to go straight to high. These fans are unique. They make a turbine sound. So I really enjoy that. Either way.